Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to create a dropping effect using this image. Okay, let's jump right in. Alright, go to Photoshop. This is the image again which I'm going to use, of course. Okay, let's go to the download. This is the dropping I want to use. Okay, align it well. I don't want this white part. Come to the laser magic tool. Yes, I don't want that part. To remove that part, I've used the magical eraser tool. Whenever the part you want to delete is of the same color, it is very easy, guys, to get rid of it. So after doing that, make sure the image, the dropping is underneath or below the image layer. After doing that, hold the Ctrl on your keyboard and tap in the thumbnail of that dropping image to select it. After that, select the image layer. Underneath the layers, do you see add the layer mask where my cursor is? Tap there to add a layer mask. Yes, and it is masked, but I want the face revealed. Remember in the previous video I showed you how to reveal the face whenever you mask it. White means reveal, black means hide. So you can see white is in front, that means you are going to reveal the face. Okay, any hidden part you can reveal. So go to the brush and then start brushing. You can see our face is revealed. So the shape layer, you can delete it, and then this is our effect. You can see how beautiful it looks. Yes, thank you so much guys. Love you. Enjoy. Ciao ciao.